Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's Saturday night here in Vietnam, guys, and I know a lot of you are probably waking up in America looking at your portfolios and going, OMG, what is going on with the crypto markets? But there is some light at the end of the tunnel. We are actually seeing right now, that Bitcoin is starting to make a little bit of positive move. You can see right here on this candle right now, we can see that, it looks like Bitcoin could be preparing to make a bit of a weekend rally. I know it's not much, but it's up 1.16%, guys. So if this continues, we could see that a little bit of uptick for Bitcoin, guys. So hopefully we will get this weekend rally coming in, as I said in my previous video. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, that this is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion, guys. And this video is absolutely not financial advice, guys. And do remember that if you're watching in the live stream, this video has been pre-recorded. And just to let you know, guys. So we are seeing right now that, it looks like Bitcoin is making a little bit of move to the upside. So hopefully this will continue. And we have seen before in the last 4 weekends that Bitcoin has done pretty well over the weekend. So hopefully this will continue to play out in our favor and in a positive way, guys, because we definitely need, some positive opioid out there, because we've been seeing that the biddy and everything's just been going down, jitty, down. So I know it's getting tiring out there. It's getting frustrating out there. But hold the fort, guys. Hold the phone and don't panic in the house, guys. So as you know, we have this whole, if we look at the weekly EMA ribbons here, we're seeing that Bitcoin is well below the weekly EMA ribbons, and it's been that way for almost 3 weeks now. We had this, so far this week, we're painting a huge, massive wick to the downside for Bitcoin, and we're down almost a massive 17%. So it's not as bad as it was a couple hours ago. So it looks like, there is a little bit of revival coming back up. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 35,818, and perhaps we can get ourselves back up to 36,000, guys. And we got some news, some tips and tricks, and I really believe that this is just a big old-fashioned dumpity dump, and I think that we're going to have a reversal to the upside. And we saw this, when we had that Black Swan event back when March. So I'm not too worried about it, and I've kind of sat back and said, so what am I going to do, Darryl? What am I going to do? I mean, my portfolio is down like crazy right now. I'm down almost like $325,000 right now from my portfolio overall, and just said to myself, look, worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to wait to 2025 until the market's pumpity pump. But I did sell off some of my altcoins that were in profit today, and I did go and buy the bitty at around I think it's when it was about just under $35,000. So I made a little bit of, I got some upside right there, so that's okay, guys. So if we take a look at the Doji Woji right now, so the Doja Woja, guys, has just moved up above the 12-cent level, because that was resistance before, and the 12, we're around about here about 13 cents. So we are above 13 cents, guys. So this is, come on, Doge, we need you to get back in the game, guys. Get back in the fight, Doge. We definitely need to see you get up there. And one of the reasons that we're seeing this whole craziness is that we had all these leverage traders that got wrecked. But if we look at the open interest, we still haven't seen a big flush for the open interest yet. And we saw that the total amount of market wreckage out there is over $1 billion right now, and there's almost 185,000 traders got liquidated, guys. So that is not good in the house, guys. So we're seeing that the most liquidated asset there was Bitcoin right there, followed by Ethereum, Solana just got hammered, Luna, Polkadot, Doge got a big hammering, Phantom got a big hammering, ADA got hammered, and we're seeing that ADA is down right now, and it did go down below $1, and because of that, I did buy in, and one of the reasons is that because Cardano-based decentralized exchange SundaeSwap, it was off to a rocky start, guys, and users complained that they have not received their tokens after swapping Cardano. 80 tokens for Sunday. So there seems to be some trouble in paradise, and like I said, this was buy the rumors, sell the news, And this thing, kind of it's gone out there. And a lot of people are complaining, and it's not good for Cardano. That's why we're seeing Cardano went down, down. Some bullish news is that the Union Bank of Philippines plans to offer crypto trading and custodial services. So the Union Bank of the Philippines plans to offer trading, custodial services for cryptocurrencies to capitalize on the fast adoption of digital tokens in the Asian nation, guys. So that is pretty good, guys. And, they think that... it's a way of the future proof of our banking business. And many crypto investors are young people of whom earn tokens from play to earn in virtual games. And they really need to have some way to keep their money and this and that. So this is bullish news. I think this is really bullish news. Also, here's the reason why we had the whole, the Russia banning crypto stories. That was because Russian banks began testing digital ruble payments. Hello. It sounds pretty similar to what happened with China when they, said they're going to launch their digital yuan. What did they do? They said, "Oh, we're banning crypto. We're banning crypto. We're banning crypto. We're banning crypto." So it's the 1, 2, 3 playbook. Before you start having your own CBDC, you need to kind of get rid of the competition out there. So that's what they did, and that's why we had this whole FUD cycle of Russia banning crypto. So I think this is also another reason that the markets are going to realize that this is just a bit of a story in the house, guys. Some other stuff that's coming in too is that Bitcoin Plan B. He's saying that Bitcoin STF founder says current dip cannot stop Bitcoin from adding another zero. So he's pretty bullish in the house, guys. And, Plan B reassures Bitcoin market will bounce back. I believe it's going to bounce back, guys. And we've seen this happen time and time again where Bitcoin is down, but it's never out, guys. So I know a lot of you are panicky in the house, guys. And, look, it's sad to see that your portfolio is going down. But, remember, unrealized losses versus realized losses are different. I mean, if you have realized losses, that means that you sold your coins, exchanged them for USDC or fiat, and you actually did lose. Means that you have less money in your hand than when you first went into the game. So that's realized losses, guys. And unrealized losses are when you still have the crypto that you originally started with, but the value against the fiat is down, guys. So when you think of altcoins, when you think in terms of value, don't only look at the fiat value. Look at the value of the altcoin to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the gold standard. So you may be surprised that if you look at your portfolio, you actually may have some altcoins that are, in terms of their Bitcoin value, might even be higher than when you first bought them. So that's what happened with me, and I did sell some of my altcoins because I saw that their value was higher than when I first bought them in relation to Bitcoin. So by selling these altcoins and buying Bitcoin, I was able to accumulate more Bitcoin. So that's what I did. I did a kind of a rebalance, a reshuffling of things around. I did buy some more Bitcoin today with some of my altcoins that were in huge profit. So that's what I did. Sure, on a altcoin in relation to the fiat currency was down, but in altcoin in relation to the Bitcoin price, they're up. So that's why I decided to make those moves, guys. I made some moves. So guys, don't forget to think about that. And this is from Ali in the house, and he's saying anti-adjusted dormancy flows shows that old hands have significantly reduced their BTC spending behavior. As dormancy value fell below 250,000 K, BTC entered a good historical buy zone. The dormancy value is at 225, and it can still drop to 180 to mark the end of the downtrend. So I believe that we're going to see the end of a downtrend coming soon, and we're still seeing that old hands have stopped selling their Bitcoin, and they're continuing to hodl and get back to things as normal, guys. So the other people, there's some people asking the question, hey, OG, what happens if the miners are going to sell? Well, if the miners do sell, then that will dump Bitcoin like crazy. But guys, keep in mind, as if you go back and watch my previous video, you need to understand that the max pain level for Bitcoin miners is about 20 to 21,000. So if Bitcoin can stay above that, that's fine, because it costs Bitcoin miners to mine one Bitcoin between $20,000 to $21,000. So that's their cost, and as long as Bitcoin stays above that, then we're going to be just fine. But if Bitcoin does go below the $21,000 level, then we're going to have problems, guys. So this is kind of the line in the sand here. around about here is the line in the sand for the miners, guys. So I'm just going to make that white right now, and that is the miners. And if it goes below there, then we know we're going to have some problems. We're going to have some troubles in the house. But I wouldn't worry about that too much. I don't think that that's going to happen, guys. So I still see that the miners are still mining away, and we're also seeing that the total hash rate is also uppity above, guys. So that is not too bad. So this is from Clever Crypto, shining a little light on the timeline. This may take on the 2021-2022 great reaccumulation. So what he's saying is that this could be one of the biggest accumulations in the history. And you know what he's saying right here, as we can see here, you know, we had a macro top here when we hit 65,000. We had a macro bottom, and this is more driven by macro fundamentals than real fundamentals. Then we had a secondary top, which was, you know, just below the all-time highs again, right there. Then we had this whole dump that we're experiencing right now. We're experiencing this dump right now at 36,000, 35,000. And, you know, he's really saying that the rally to, number one, we had the rally to and rejection at the 20-week EMA. And then we saw two dump back to the logarithmic curve at 39% angle. So that is right there, right? This is where we saw that dump. And then we're seeing the number four in the house, that's where we are right now, is break back above the 50 to 20 day WEMA and continues if there is no black swan. So basically he's saying if there's no black swan event, then we could start to test wave 3 of the Elliott wave and then consolidate before sending up to the top, guys. So I still believe that we are going to move to the top side, and he's kind of predicting that we could be seeing, you know, $280,000 coming in by the end of the year. And I think it's still plausible. I think this big, you know, secondary bottom is just a huge fake out, guys, because we had a secondary bottom. We had a secondary bottom here, and look what happened. We just went nuts, right? And I think that the same thing is going to happen, guys. So I'm still holding. I'm actually picking up more Bitcoin. So this is bullish. Portugal opens its first Bitcoin shop to buy and sell in person. So you can go to this shop in Portugal, go in person. You can buy and sell your Bitcoin. So that is pretty bullish in the house, guys. That's absolutely bullish in the house, guys. So from that perspective, things are not as bad as people think, guys. So Ethereum right now is also showing some green, and it's coming back up, and it's at 24.86. So I think this is our weekend relief rally, and we're seeing a green candle here, and we're seeing a green candle when it comes to volume. So I think this is our little bit of a reversal that's coming in. We're not seeing too much of a reversal for Phantom in ours right now. So you know, you guys are who got Phantom are probably a little bit panicking. But you know, if you look at the total TVL right now for Phantom, let me just give this a minty refresh. You can see that Phantom is the number 3 coin. It's just below Binance coin right now, and it's picked up about 28.83% in the last 24 hours. Last 7 days, excuse me, in terms of TVL has taken the number 4 position. So you can see Avalanche and Solana has dropped below Phantom. So that is good. That is a nice change. If you take a look at Shiba Inu right now, Shiba Inu has got some really nice comeback kid, and Shiba Inu is at 26.2, and that's pretty good because in my previous video we were down around about 17. So that's looking pretty good. It's coming back. So as I said, Phantom once again getting back to Phantom. Phantom is above $2. So that is okay. I mean, we had gone as low on this wick in the last day. We had gone as low as a 1.77. So it looks like things are coming back slowly but surely. And also too, if we look here for Solana in the house, we can see that Solana is coming back from the bottom of this wick as well. Solana was a low of $87, and it's back above $100, guys. So that is okay. So it looks like you know, we might be able to confirm this weekend rally, and hopefully a huge weekend rally, guys. And we're seeing right now the market cap is coming up as well. Let me just give this a minty refresh to make sure we got the right info there. So yeah, it is correct. It was around about 153 trillion before, and this is live coin watch in case you're wondering what we're looking at. And we're seeing that you know, things are coming up a little bit, and we're seeing right now that the total volume is 121. So that's a healthy volume. But we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance is super high. We need that to come down, as you can see. definitely needs to come down. So you can see here in our previous video, Bitcoin was down almost 11%, but so it's come back up significantly, and we're at $35,755. We could be seeing $36,000 coming in, so that is pretty good. It looks like we could be having a bit of a weekend rally, guys, so that is looking good. We're seeing that Ethereum is only down 10%, was down 19% earlier, and it's at $2,492. We're seeing BNB as well is down to $375, but it's come back up. We're seeing 88 was just below $1 earlier, and it's now above $1.11. So I picked up ADA at just under $1. So I'm up almost 10% right now on that. So I'm not too unhappy about it. And we're seeing that Solana's up at $103 right now. We're seeing that Luna is still down over 10%. So that's not looking good. But I think we're going to see a bit of a reversal coming in. Polkadot is now at $18.97, and we're seeing that the Doji Woji, woof woof to the Doge, guys, and we're seeing that Doji Woji is at down 12.38%, and it's at 13.2, guys. So that is better than where it was before. Trust me. And we're seeing that Avalanche is also down, down, and we're seeing that that Shiba Weeby is still down a lot more than the Doge right now. So Shiba Weeby is coming back. It was below 21, below 20 before. It was like 19 in the house. So it's coming back, but it's not coming back fast enough. But everything is still in the red, except Phantom is showing some signs of life all in 30 days. But overall, I think we're going to have a little bit of a comeback, and I think things are going to be looking much better, guys. So that is about it for this one. This is just a short one. It's Saturday evening here, and I just want to say God bless to all of you out there. I know it's been a really crazy couple of days. I know a lot of you have been panicky, and I don't blame you. I just don't worry about it. I mean, do worry about it. Keep your eyes on it. You guys, take the weekend off. Stop looking at your portfolios. Come back on Monday. I think you guys will be happy and be surprised. So follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to follow, and don't forget to go down there, smash the likey wikeys like crazy, and don't forget to subscribe and comment, and show some love in the house, guys. You can go down there and check out my links, buy the channel on coffee, become a Patreon member if you want. Check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel, Zen Music in the house. Go over there. You probably need some relaxing music anyway, so get it, and hit that button right there. You know you want it. And I do have some merch, guys, in case you guys want some merch. I've also got the Weak Nancy collection. Maybe it's time not to be a weak Nancy. Stop wetting the bed and grow up out there, guys. I want to say God bless you. Thank you for being here. Have a great day. Have a fantastic day. God bless you wherever you are, guys. It's been a fantastic time. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for caring. And do go down there, smash the likes. Let's get this video up to 1,000 likes. I would really appreciate it. God bless you, guys. Take care. Peace out, guys.